Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Linda, back at it again this morning. It is a beautiful, lovely Monday morning, and I'm on my way to get a workout in today. I haven't been in over a month or so I'm back at it again, try to get my workout started, because I feel my body, my upper body, everything feels weak on me. So I have to get back into the gym and get my workout on. I don't know how I'm going to push myself to try to do this on a consistent basis. Ooh, Lord. Seems like it's the hardest thing to do, but I got to do it. I got to do it because I can feel my body is just getting stiff. So I need a little bit of motivation. I got a sidekick up here with me. I don't know if she's going to be my motivation or not, but anyhow. She get antsy over there because I said that. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to the gym and I'm going to try to work out some this morning. I'm going to try to record a little bit. A lot of times they got music playing in there, so I probably have to figure out how to block out the music. But okay, today is a lovely day, like I said. And I'm going to be lovely in this day. Got to go to work tonight, but that's all right. It's going to work out. So I'll catch y'all when I get in the gym, get started. Doing this right now, and it is killing my balls. Burn back, burn. I am winding down, winding down, winding down. Hello y'all, I'm back. I made it back from the gym. I put a little bit of workout in. Now I did we did about an hour total workout. So we got a good workout in. Me and my daughter number 2. I just come from Walmart. We stopped Walmart. I got strawberries, and I got a few things to make some barbecue meatballs with. That's gonna be what I'm cooking today. I didn't want to do much today because I'm working, but I got hamburger, ground beef, whatever you guys call it. And I'm gonna use some of this Himalayan seasoning here. The grape jelly, I got grape jelly, the panko breadcrumbs, and Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. All that's gonna go in there later. The barbecue sauce and the sweet Baby Ray's. Make some hot dish water. This out. And I already washed my hands before I got started because I just come from home out of the gym. So I washed my hands when I went upstairs to change my shoes and stuff. I went and washed my hands up there. Get me some hot dish water. Always put Clorox in my water. Even they said don't put Clorox in your water, but I do. I've always done it from when I started out. Woo, it's burning my hand. I'll get that off later because I'm sure everybody pull that off now. Be right back. Okay, I'm gonna put gotta wear some gloves today because I cut my hand. So let's put go ahead and wipe my pot out here. I probably drizzle a little bit of olive oil in here and start these off. Turn the pot on, put it on low. Well, I got grapeseed oil first, so that's what I'm gonna use. Just a little bit, not much. Okay. I forgot to get my egg before I started in here. Oh my goodness. Put my one egg in here to help hold it together. Put a little bit of breadcrumb. Maybe that much should be okay. I'm gonna use these kind of minced onions because the kids claim they don't like onions. So I'm gonna try these minced onions and see if that help any. I'll taste them better. Make them taste any better. If they can even taste the onion in them. Put a little bit of this Himalayan salt seasoning in here. Like that, but let that go because it might be too much. A little bit more breadcrumbs, that's it. Some black pepper in here. I'm gonna make these up. Yeah, y'all, I went to the gym this morning, so I'm trying to start back working out again. I just can't keep myself going when it comes down to exercising. Then I stop. But I'm ready to get back into it and start exercising and strengthening my body because I feel like my body, my upper and lower body is weak. Okay, let's make these balls now. So I want to try to get stronger. Get my body stronger. Get my body a little bit stronger. Make my body stronger. Because I feel like I'm weakling. I don't have enough strength and power. So I want to build up my physical strength. And my mental. Both will be good. Oh, Lord. Dropping hamburger on everywhere. I hope these taste good because I don't feel like I got enough seasoning in here, but yeah, I don't want to over season them. Maybe by the time I put the barbecue sauce and the grape jelly in there, it'll be okay. I'm gonna turn that pot up a little bit. Turn it up a little bit more light. Y'all, it's almost time for my trip. Me and three of my daughters, my grandkids, are going on a cruise. So that's coming up. I'm getting excited about it. Ready to go. Don't know what all I'm gonna be doing because I'm not going on any excursions. And we're going on the Royal Caribbean. This is the first time we've been on the, we'll be going on the Royal Caribbean ship. Is it Freedom of the Seas? I don't know the name of it, but anyway. It's a Royal Caribbean ship. So I'm excited about seeing what their ships are like. We usually go on Carnival, but I'm excited to see what the Royal Caribbean ships look like. So I can compare the difference to the two. Yeah, but I got, today I'm just making meatballs. And I'm trying to get that corn off the cob. If it thaws out enough, I'm gonna cut that corn off the cob and we're gonna fry the corn. And probably just get some green beans. I don't know, I gotta go to work tonight, so I'm trying to do something quick. We'll see how that go. If the kids wasn't eating these, I would cut up my onions, I would cut up some peppers and put in this, but since they don't like all that stuff, I'm just gonna do it so they can eat some of it. Put that one down a little bit. I'm probably not gonna cook these all the way through. I'm just gonna brown them for the most part, because I'm gonna put them in the sauce and let the sauce finish cooking them. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here. I got my pot already turned on. Let me turn my light on. I'm gonna bring the camera closer up. Okay, I don't know if you can see me that well or not. I have to pull it back a little bit. I don't know, let you see in the inside the pot there. But anyhow, sit that aside. Spread that oil around a little bit. turn the eye up. Let me drop one in there. Oh yeah, got a little bit of seeds, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them in there. I'm gonna turn them down a little bit to 2 so they can cook slowly. I don't know if I can get them all in there. Try. Ooh, they smell good. My bottom is full. I'm gonna squeeze these in here somehow. I sure am. So they can go ahead on and be doing what they gotta do. Just gonna have to turn them over and switch them over. Let that side brown, and then I would turn them over. I'm gonna wash this pot out and clean it up. This corn as you come off the cob. Wash my deep gloves off. We're going to throw out 2 water. We're going to use the same gloves. Yes, I am. I'm going to rinse my hand off good. Wash the gloves just off. Wash my hands off. So they're clean. I don't have to worry about it. Now let that sit. It looks like they're going to tear apart. Let them stay there and brown on that side a little bit more. Yep, let them brown a little more on that side. Which they're doing pretty good browning, but so let's let go there. That continues. This is the corn I got, y'all. It's corn on the cob. I'm trying to thaw it out. I had it in the freezer. This is something that my mom did over this last summer. So, yeah, I'm going to try to get this off the cob and fry it. It's just got to thaw out. So I'm putting it in hot water to see if it'll thaw it out quicker. Okay, back to the hamburger. Okay, back to these burgers. I mean, these meatballs. See if I can use a fork to turn them with because they're looking pretty good, y'all. know if you can see in the pot there, but they're coming out pretty good. Just got to try not to tear them apart when I turn them. Okay, there you go. Let them cook down some more. Brown on that side, and then I'll switch them up with some more. Okay. And also, I want to do some, I have some tomatoes I have in the refrigerator that I need to cook. If I got any dumplings, I'm going to do some tomato dumplings. I have some. Yeah, I have some tomato some dumplings. So I'm going to make me some tomato dumplings. If I had to eat them all by myself. I've got these Ann's dumplings. So I'm going to make me some tomato dumplings. Let me go get my tomatoes out the freezer. These are tomatoes that I peeled and I put them up in the freezer so they wouldn't go to the bad. So I'm going to make some tomato dumplings. I don't know if anybody ever heard of this before, but I used to love this with biscuits. When my mom used to do biscuits with this when I was younger. But I'm going to use a dumpling because that's what I have. I don't have time to make no. I do have time to take the time, but I'm not. Like I said, I got to go to work at 11 o'clock tonight. So I'm going to just, there's already half the day gone, so. So I put these in the pot and let them thaw. I put them on, let's put them on medium and let them thaw out. And then when they thaw out, I will put the sugar and cinnamon in them. And vanilla and butter and all that stuff. These are still coming along. Coming along. So let those continue to cook. While those are cooking, I'm going to turn you around, let you see what I'm doing. I'm just getting the corn off the cob. And yes, these are the same gloves that I had on making a hamburger, but I have to keep the gloves on because I have a cut on my hand. And I wash these gloves and rinse them off in soapy clean water and then rinse them off. Actually Clorox in water, so they're fine. And these bags here that Mama had, let's see, I might save those and reuse them. So I'm just gonna get, is this girl that I watch on YouTube? Lord, I forgot her name. I always talk about somebody that can't remember what the, let me put this up so y'all can see me. I always talking about somebody and can't remember the names. But she have like a channel where she do a lot of canning and, you know, stuff on there. She's from Maryland. And when she do her corn off the cob, she use everything. She take and make corn soup. She use the cobs to boil and make something out of the cobs. Now that's really using, really using everything, not throwing away anything. She's really good. I'm glad this coming off the cob because it's frozen, and I didn't want to wait around trying to do this, you know, later on because I want to get all of my cooking out of the way. So when I sit down, I want to be able to just lay down and go get my rest so I can work tonight. And I probably won't lay down until about 4 o'clock. Lay down at 4 and then I'll probably get up. And I said I'm gonna sleep the whole time, but I'm gonna get up about 9 o'clock. From 4 to 9, if I can fall asleep. Sometimes it takes me 2 to 3 hours after I lay down to go to sleep. I don't just, when I have to go to work like that, I can't go to sleep. I don't know because I've been doing stuff all day, but sometimes I don't really be doing stuff. I be relaxing, trying to relax, but I had a TV on. So I don't know because I'm got my mind watching the TV or what's going on, but I can't settle down to go to sleep. Let me check these things again over here. All right. Yeah, they come along okay. Anyway, I was saying my camera cut off because my phone was full, but I'm finished with the meatballs. I just got to clean the pot out, and which I'm gonna do off camera, and go from there. Okay, I'm gonna get this off right quick off the cob, and I'll be back with y'all. Okay, I got my Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I'm gonna add this to the pot here. You can use any kind of barbecue sauce. It's just the kind I use mostly. It's Baby Ray's. I guess you can use any kind of barbecue sauce if you want to. Whatever kind you like. Turn those on. Probably not gonna need that whole bottle. Let's just stop it right there. Let's see what this is doing. It's thawed out. Put a little bit of grape jelly in here. I think that should be enough. Turn this down to simmer. Might put a little bit of brown sugar in there. Just a little bit of brown sugar. I'm gonna use this right here so I can get rid of it. Maybe about a tablespoon, maybe. That's enough. I think that's enough grape jelly. I'm not gonna use any more of this. Kind of stir it around a little bit. Let's see what happens here. Just turn it down low and let it simmer a little bit. Let me check out these tomatoes now. Not quite thawed out yet. They're thawing. Look like they're gonna be all the pieces. But anyhow, just let that. All right, well, got that going. Got the meatballs in the pot. Let's let them start simmering. See what else I need to do to them. I got them on, like I said, simmer. that continue to warm up, to heat up. I'm gonna turn you guys around to my corn while I season it. Put a little bit of flour in here for my thickener. There's the new one. I use my salt. I'll start out with that much. I usually like a lot of black pepper in mine. Let's just start out with that much. Push this aside. See what else I got? I need some fried meat grease, but I think I probably just put one of those little bacon patties in there, bacon grease patty. My mom always put water in hers. Some people might put something else. This don't need no sugar. The last time I cooked it was so sweet it didn't taste like it needed any sugar, so I'm not gonna add any sugar to it. I think I'm gonna have to get my big pan out. My big old copper pan. Because I think this will be the only thing that's gonna hold this corn. I'm gonna get one of those bacon patties out that I had. I'm gonna have to push you on the back. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. Meatballs will begin to simmer a little bit. See if I can stir these up without tearing them apart. Yeah, I might have a little bit too much barbecue sauce, but that's fine. They seem to be looking good, y'all. Looking good. Let me show it to you. I stirred them up. That's what they looking like. I'm gonna let them simmer some more. They're just beginning to simmer. So let's just let them do their thing. Seems like I got everything in the way. Let's turn that eye back down. Let's cover this back up and let it do what it do. I think I want to switch sides though. Let's put simmer on this side, and then I'm gonna put this pan over here. Because that way, maybe these two here will be okay. Where is here? This right here. Okay, those are good. This might not turn out like I wanted it to turn out. Just let that cook a little bit more. Turn it down some. On two. I'm gonna switch this part over here and put this pan on this side, in which I'm gonna add my corn on this side. Let's put a little bit more water in this corn. It's gotta cook. Let me get my, what I call my grease ball, y'all. Every time I fry bacon, I would save my bacon grease, and then I freeze it in little balls. And when I get ready to cook greens or beans or whatever I cook, I just take out one of these here and put it in there. See if I can find a bigger one. Yeah, right there. So I'm gonna put that one in there. Yeah, I just do one. I'm not gonna put two. And there you go. It's gonna begin to, it's gonna melt. I'm gonna turn the eye up a little bit higher so they can go on and do what they gotta do. Meatballs are still simmering. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do about that. That don't look like it's gonna be right. Okay, that's melting down. The grease is melting down. Little grease ball. I wasn't planning on doing all this much today, but anyhow, I guess that's what it ended up being. Those tomatoes, I'll let you see the tomatoes back there if you can. They look a little loose. I'm gonna let them cook down a little more. Maybe when I put the dough in there, but I turn them down. Let's just let them sit there until I finish the meatballs or either these, the corn. Then I'll go back over there and put everything I need to put in there. Let's just turn that on low. All right. No, it seems like it's not, put a little bit more water in here. Okay, I'm gonna get this corn, get ready to pour the corn in. The grease is hot. Probably have to turn it up a little bit because when I pour this in there, it's gonna cool all the way down. All right, I'm just gonna pour this corn in here. Put that there and let that cook down. Have the eye turned up so they're gonna get hot. I don't know if you guys can see back there the tomato pot right here. So I'm getting ready to add sugar to this. Add about, I don't know, maybe about a half a cup. Let's see how that turned out. Put some butter in there. Just gonna add this little piece of butter right here, right now. I think that should be enough. Let's turn that up a little more. Put a little bit of cinnamon. Okay, I'm gonna put cinnamon in here. Gonna turn that pot up, so I'm gonna add my cinnamon. A little bit of nutmeg. And a little bit of vanilla flavor. Stir it up, stir, stir, stir. Let it come to another boil. Let me taste it first, make sure I got enough stuff in there. Enough sugar. Yeah, it's sweet enough. I don't have enough cinnamon in it though. Let that come to a boil. A little bit of that nutmeg, and just let it come to a boil. And then I'm gonna put some dumplings in it. A little more like soup than tomatoes. But anyhow, corn is coming along fine. You're probably almost, let's cover that in there. I I can almost take these off here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take them off and just go and dump them out of the pot and wash that pot out and be done with it. So we have to do all this stuff later. Okay, let me do this. Let me get a bowl for those. Let me see, do I have the... Let me get this stuff out so I wash this out. I don't have to worry about messing with it when I get up tonight to go to work. I don't think I really needed that whole bottle of the barbecue sauce, which I didn't use the whole bottle, just about, because that would have been perfect. I wouldn't even need any juice. Okay, let's pour the rest of that barbecue sauce in there, and then we'll wash this pot out. Let's turn that down on low till I can get to it, because I don't want it to burn. All right, y'all, I'm adding my dumplings to here. Like I said, back in the day, I like biscuit. Make the biscuits up and put biscuits in mine. That's the way my mom did it. Then she's changed over and started doing it with just adding the dumplings in here. Turn it up just a little bit. Got too much going on here. I'm going to add a little bit more liquid to this. Letting the water get hot over there. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to put in there. That's not that many tomatoes in there. All right, let's add a little bit more water to this corn. Seems like I don't like mine too runny, but that's enough right there. I ain't putting no more. I'm gonna taste it, make sure it's still okay. Let that cook a little more, and then I'm gonna taste it, see if it's all right. These are what the meatballs are looking like. They smell delicious and they taste delicious before I put the sauce on them. It tasted pretty good, just like they are. Okay, you're gonna have to turn you up a little bit more so you can cook. The dough can cook in there. It can be tomato dumpling soup because those tomatoes are cooked all to pieces. But anyway, it'll be okay. These two. All right, y'all, things come along. Let me taste this corn, make sure it's on point. You don't need to add any more seasonings in there. It's just right. I don't need to add nothing else to that. I have not eaten all day. I was going to eat some of my stuff I already got in the refrigerator, but I have not taken out time to warm it. So since this is almost done, I'm going to wait till this gets done. I'm going to sit down and eat some of what I cooked today. And there you go. And there you go. This is actually done. So I guess I'll just turn it off and just let it sit here. I don't know if you guys cook y'all's like this or not. Fried corn, well, this is what we call fried corn in the South, North Carolina South, that is. The deep South. My mom used to have hers a little bit more liquidy. But this is how I got mine. This is called cream corn, fried corn, whichever one you want to call it. But that's it. Let me let you see it. That is it. It is done. It's seasoned just right. The only thing I'm working on is that right there. I'm gonna let this corn cool off, and then I'm gonna put it in another bowl. I think these dumplings gonna be enough. I don't want to add too many dumplings, but maybe I should. Let's just gonna turn this up because that look like don't need a lot of dumplings because this gonna be like a juice, like a soup. So go right ahead on the boiled dumplings. I might put a couple more in there because that look like it's gonna be right there on scarce. Yet again, I don't want to put too much in there, and I gotta eat it all. That's enough. It's gonna be what it's gonna be. All right, that is almost my din for the day. My lunch, dinner, whatever. Only thing missing is some homemade biscuits. And I don't feel like making any. Okay, y'all, got me a bowl of corn. I'm gonna sit down and eat this. Get rid of these bloods.
I thought he was.
Okay, yeah, this gonna be a little bit runny, y'all. Don't have enough tomatoes in there. I had more juice than I had tomatoes, but anyhow, I'll make another one with enough tomatoes another time. But we're gonna let that cook a little bit more. Okay, y'all, I'm going to pour the tomato dumplings in this bowl. Like I said, this didn't turn out like I wanted to turn out. It's more soupy than anything else. But it has dumplings in it. The tomatoes, I should have more tomatoes. There you go. Should have been more thicker. With the bread, with the biscuits, when you cook the biscuits and break the biscuits up in it, it absorbs more of the juice and it soaks into the biscuits, and oh my goodness, it's so delicious. But this is what this is right here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get some in my bowl and eat. I already finished that bowl of corn I showed y'all. Now I'm gonna put some of this in here. If I make another one, I have enough tomato. Make sure I have enough tomatoes in it. This is more like tomato dumpling soup, but I'm gonna eat it anyways. All right, get this pot washed up and put up. Well, I guess I should have showed y'all everything together. This is everything together. And that is the end of my cooking for today. Okay. All right, you guys, that is it. That's the end of this video. I am finished. I've completed my meal for today. I have barbecue meatballs, fried corn, and tomato dumplings, which did not turn out right. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching my channel. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to comment in the comment section. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Okay, you guys have a great day. See you on the next video.